My hands, they're cracking in the webbing.
I race cars, my hands get beat up.
Lotions tend to go down the drain.
The hand sanitizers, I mean, they just dry your hands out.
Now, in 3 minutes, you can make embarrassing, dry, red, beat-up hands and cracked feet look and feel new again. Introducing DermaWow.
Wow.
You look brand new.
Wow.
Wow, it's fresh baby skin, it really is.
Wow. Wow.
When hands and feet get dry, cracked, and painful, lotions and creams aren't enough. Using all natural, safe organic ingredients to help replenish moisture, DermaWow instantly transforms rough skin on hands, feet, elbows, and knees.
With DermaWow, you can do it whenever you want. It takes the dead skin off and it leaves your skin feeling so soft. You don't have to make an appointment and go to the spa and spend hundreds of dollars.
DermaWow is so easy to use. First, spray and rub DermaWow's pure magnesium oil primer into your skin. When you add our natural activator, soft eraser-like particles form as dry, dead skin cells gently lift and roll away, revealing bright, new, smooth skin below.
One of my clients kept saying, wow, this is such a great product, and she didn't even know the name.
My feet were horrible. They were dry and flaky and crusty and disgusting. After DermaWow, completely smooth, flawless. I loved it.
Well, I think it's a great product, DermaWow, for guys. I mean, because you don't want your hands to feel like alligator skin your whole life.
Order now and get a free gift, Finishing Touch Lotion, to help lock in DermaWow's moisturizing organic ingredients. With our money-back guarantee, you may return DermaWow within 30 days for a full refund of the purchase price. Feel the wow. Order now.